Mechanics will charge you over $100 to replace the tail light on this car, but after watching this video, you can do the replacement yourself. We'll use a clip remover tool like this, and we'll take out this plastic cover, punch in the tool right here, and then pull out the cover. There's the cover taken out just like that. Behind the cover there are two screws. Here I'm using an impact gun with a 10mm socket to take out those two screws. First screw is out. Second screw is also out. Now we'll grab the tail light like this and gently push it outwards. And there you see the tail light is popped out. Once the tail light is taken out, now we'll take out all the plugs from behind. We'll start taking out the first plug right here. Just grab it, turn it counterclockwise, and then pull it outwards. There's the first plug taken out. Similar way, we'll take out the second one right here. Grab it, turn it counterclockwise, then pull it outwards. Second one is also out. The final plug is on the other end. Same process. Grab the plug, turn it counterclockwise, then pull it outwards. You see the harness is holding onto it very tight. We just have to pull out the harness from that bracket. This will give us more room to take out that final plug. We pulled out that blockage. Now we can easily pull out the plug. Once all the plugs are out, that is how we take out the tail light for this car. In my case, the tail light is good, so I'll be installing it back. But if you have a new tail light and you want to install it back, we'll go ahead and punch in all the plugs one by one. We'll start with the LED bulb first. Make sure the plug completely goes in. Once the plug is completely in, then we will turn it clockwise to install it firm and strong. There it's in and also not coming out. Now we will install a turn signal plug. Same process, make sure the plug completely goes in first, then turn it clockwise to install it firm and strong. Sometimes you have to keep turning the plug until it goes completely in. Now it's time to punch in the final plug. This is one of the longer ones and it might need a little extra effort to punch it inside completely. Once plug is all the way in, then turn it clockwise to install it firm and strong. Remember we pulled out this harness from that bracket? We just need to punch it back where we took it out from. There's the harness installed in that bracket. Now we'll go ahead and punch in this tail light back. Behind the tail light, notice there's this pointer coming out right here. This pointer is supposed to go in this spot right here, and notice on the tail light there is one more position here. This is supposed to be slided in this clip right here. We'll go ahead and punch in the tail light, keeping in mind those two positions. Just like that. Once it goes completely in, then we will just give it a push from the front. There it is, it sits in there properly. Now we'll go ahead and punch in these two screws. First, I will manually put both the screws one by one. And this time, I will tighten them with a ratchet wrench, an extension and 10mm socket. I would avoid using the gun this time because sometimes tightening with the gun can end up breaking the tabs of the tail light, and we are trying to avoid doing that here. Both of them are tight enough. We'll just make sure both the screws are tight one more time. Now we'll go ahead and punch in this cover back. Notice from behind the cover there are some tabs coming out. There's one tab right here. This tab is supposed to go in that spot right there. And there's one more tab right here. This tab is supposed to go in that tiny spot underneath the screw right here. We'll go ahead and punch in the cover, keeping in mind those tabs. Then we'll press the cover all the way down until it goes completely in. There it is. With that, we're done with our replacement process. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.